Very welcome to my YouTube channel, viewers from all over the world. I'm glad that you're here with me. So in this video, I'm going to make pancakes, or I can say crepes, whichever name that you will choose. That's what I'm gonna make this morning. So my first ingredient that you can see here is the oatmeal. This is all rolled oats. I just picked one from the supermarket. You can have, or you can just use any type of oats that you want. So I took this one, and there's a funny fact about oats that I saw in the internet that people use, or originally it was used for fattening the horses. I'm not sure about that, but for me, I love oats. The best cereal that I can use in the morning. So on to my second ingredient, I have eggs. I'm going to use 2 eggs at this point, but if you can use more, that's up to you. But you can use 1 or 2 or 3, but I'm gonna use 2 eggs for this particular ingredient. So I'm gonna crack it and put it inside the blending jar, just together with the oats. And 2 eggs are enough for me, so I've just cracked it. I've used my knife. I'm not an expert in cracking eggs, but you can crack them without using anything but just your bare hands. But for me, I'm gonna hit the middle and put it inside the blending jar. So at the moment, I've already chopped my butternut, and it's ready to go in, just to get a bit of a boil. So I'm going to boil my butternut, as you will see it. So earlier I chopped the butternut squash into small pieces and boiled it for about 15 minutes. So what I love about the butternut squash is its color. I like its orange color. I love its versatility, its sweetness, and also it has a nutty flavor. It's very hard to describe it unless you have tasted it yourself. Funny enough, I used to think that butternut squash is a kind of a pumpkin, or is just a vegetable, but technically it's a fruit. So that's what I discovered, and it is very amazing. So this butternut actually has so many culinary uses, and it's packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and all those things that you've heard about fruit or vegetable. So at this point, the butternut is soft and ready to be blended. So I've just used a fork just to see how far it's boiled, and yeah, it's ready now. It's ready to go. So once the butternut squash is cool enough, just put it inside the blending jar. Just what I'm doing right now. I'm just doing it one by one, just one piece by one piece, but it's not necessarily that you can do like that, but it's just being me, just doing it slowly. I love the delicate butternut squash. You can put them in all at once, of course, if you are in a hurry. But in my video today, I'll just being me and being naughty, just putting it one by one. So the butternut is cool enough right now. Put it in the blending jar, press it in, because I had so the remainder of the butternut squash is still in the pot, so I'm just making some space for everything to go in, and then I'll just blend it. So all the ingredients are in the blending jar. So what I'll add is 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, just plain wheat flour, and one tablespoon of sugar, and that will be enough. So I've not shown you in the video, but now I'm blending it all together. But if you want to add more flour, that's up to you. If you want to add milk, that's up to you. But in my ingredients, I just use those simple ingredients, and there's no milk, just oat, butternut squash, sugar, and wheat flour. That's it. So it's blending right now. I just want it to be smooth and ready to make a nice batter for my crepes. So as it was blending, I just realized that there were some oats which were stuck on the bottom of the jar. At this point, you can see it's at the top. So what I did later on is I had to shake, stop the blender, shake the jar, and then put it back so that I can blend it smoothly, as you can see now. So I put the blending jar back to its position and let it blend. Now I'm very sure that it's gonna blend very smoothly, and I'm just trying to fix it up into the blender very nicely to sit, and just started blending. So this is nice. So I'm gonna blend it to a smooth consistency, and depending on how you like it. So all the oats which was stuck on the top now are well mixed with the rest of the ingredients, and it's blending right now. I'm gonna blend it for about 5 to 10 minutes, but actually depends on how you see it. This is just a way that you just use your eyes. You judge by your eyes. If you can see that everything is blended and smooth, so you can take it over and start making the crepes. Now the crepe batter is ready, all blended and it's smooth, and there's no lumps. Actually, I can see that the batter is thick enough for the crepes. So what I'm doing right now is setting up my non-stick pan. You can use a skillet if you like. So I just want to make the crepes easy. So there's my butter. So what I'm doing right now is setting up my non-stick pan. You can use a skillet if you like. So I just want to make the crepes easy. So there's my butter ready. I just made sure it's nice and smooth, and it's thick just the way I want it. It's a bit thicker than usual, but I decided just to go with it because I love this amazing recipe. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just put it in the pan, spread it all around. Make sure that it has a nice shape. So it kept on breaking up because I didn't put enough wheat flour. But all in all, I just wanted to see how so this actually looks very rich. But that's it. That's very recipe. It's very nice. And if you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you follow other recipes that I have coming up soon. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for viewing what I'm doing. And if you like it, then just make a comment below. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.